How to identify and avoid malware like viruses and spyware. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to tackle an important topic: how to identify and avoid malware, including viruses and spyware. With cyber threats becoming more sophisticated, it's essential to know how to protect your devices and personal information. Let's get started. First of all, a malware is a malicious software designed to harm, exploit, or otherwise compromise your computer system. Common types include viruses, spyware, ransomware, and trojans. So, signs of malware infection are unusual slowdowns, pop-up ads, unusual activity, and high data usage. Install and update antivirus software to get rid of that. So, antivirus software is your first line of defense against malware. Install a reputable antivirus programs such as Norton, McAfee, and Bitdefender. Keep your antivirus software updated to protect against the latest threats. A firewall acts as a barrier between your computer and potential threats, so ensure your firewall is enabled in your system settings. Don't open email attachments or click on links from unknown or suspicious sources. Phishing emails often contain malware. Download software only from trusted websites. Avoid pirated software as it can be a source of malware. Regularly update your operating system, browsers, and other software to patch security vulnerabilities that malware can exploit. And you have to use strong and unique passwords, and always back up your data, so in case you get infected, your computer gets infected, you can always recover your data if your system is compromised. Stay informed about the latest malware threats and how to avoid them. Now, thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.